Unity and diversity, exploring a powerful concept. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into an intriguing and meaningful phrase, unity in diversity. This phrase isn't just a collection of words. It's a concept that holds great significance in various cultures and societies around the world. So, let's unpack this phrase together and understand what it truly means. Unity and diversity is a phrase that encapsulates a profound idea. At its core, it signifies the coexistence of harmony and unity among individuals who have different backgrounds, beliefs, and lifestyles. This concept highlights the idea that our differences do not divide us. Rather, they make our unity stronger and more beautiful. This phrase has been important in various cultures and historical contexts. For instance, it is often associated with the societal ethos in countries like India and Indonesia, representing the harmonious coexistence of diverse cultures, languages, and religions. It's a principle that has guided nations through challenges and has been a beacon of hope and solidarity. Let's consider some everyday examples. In a classroom with students from different parts of the world, unity and diversity is seen when these students work together, share their unique perspectives, and learn from each other, creating a rich learning environment. Similarly, in a multicultural neighborhood, festivals, food, and traditions from different cultures coexist and are celebrated by all. In today's globalized world, unity and diversity is more relevant than ever. It encourages us to embrace cultural differences, promotes inclusivity, and fosters mutual respect. Understanding and practicing this concept is key to building stronger, more empathetic communities and societies. Thank you for joining me in exploring the beautiful and powerful phrase, unity in diversity. I hope this video has shed light on its significance and inspired you to appreciate and celebrate the diverse world we live in. Remember, our differences make our collective human experience richer and more meaningful. Until next time, keep learning and embracing the diversity around you.